What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Pauly C coming at you with another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. I've already pre-vacuumed thoroughly with my Hoover Hush Tone magical carpet cleaning tool. Yes, pre-vacuum. You want to get all that dry soil out, but look at this filthy mess. Oh my goodness. And for good reason. We are in the apartment above the business that the person owns below us. They have a cafe and a brewery, lots of grease, a lot of oil. So when he comes upstairs and enters the apartment, nothing but grease on his shoes. From now on, I think they're going to be taking off their shoes at the door. I'm going to be using a zinger pad. Oh yeah, available at the Endcap Store. White microfiber with AstroTurf red scrubbing strips. Wait till you see the phenomenal work those pads do at pre-agitating. Somebody asked me recently, Pauly C, what are the 6 steps you keep talking about? What are the 6 steps? Well, here they are in order. Pre-vacuum, spotting, pre-spray, agitation, extraction, and grooming. That's right. Now on these Berber flat style texture carpets, there's not going to be any grooming needed. And in some cases, you'll go in like this job, no pre-spotting. There's no rust, no red Kool-Aid stains, no pet urine stains. It's just traffic. And we know, oh yeah, Awesome Encap is my chemical of choice. It'll break this soil down, no problem. Dry down to a brittle crystal, and these carpets will stay clean a lot longer. And yes, this person who owns this home had these steam cleaned before, and the first thing he said is, after it looks this great, is it gonna come back? I was like, oh no, it shouldn't, and if it does, give me a call. But you can see, look at that magical, oh goodness. Sometimes I'm telling you, I gotta stop, sit on my hands to keep from clapping. So wonderful. This is the Orbot Vibe. Very cool machine. Very easy to use. It is a 1 horsepower motor. Now, I know there's lots of machines out there on the market, and I am an affiliate for the Encapstore.com, but I choose whoever I want to use. I don't have to use Encap Store if I don't want to. I choose them, and I keep choosing them because of good customer service and because of results like this. I mean, why go anywhere else? And I will tell you, I had a guy send me a video the other day of the Odyssey tops. I think that was David. And David was showing me, he's trying to get into some wood floor and some other stuff. And I think he owns the tops, but he doesn't want to use that because of the tamping action, which is the up and down bounce that it has for additional cleaning on wood floors. Come on, guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, I am turning this carpet into new. If you've ever done a filthy carpet and afterwards it just didn't look this good and you wondered, is there something I could have done? Oh yeah, get you some awesome Endcap and tell them Pauly C sent you. That's right. Anyway, back to David. He sent me a couple videos of one of the team members at Tops. And I think he is the vice president of sales. Down to earth dude. He's actually out there using the machine, doing a job, showing David how the machine works. And the Odyssey Tops, it was interesting. It's really similar to this machine, but he wanted to get some areas that had spotting a little bit deeper. And like on the Orbot Vibe that I'm using here, all I have to do is just lift the handle that raises the wheels, and allows for more weight on the machine, or the Orbot Vibe also has these sections on the surface to add the weight plate kit. So you could add more weight if you choose to, but the video of the Odyssey tops, he pulls the handle over to the other side. So you can see the machine. Imagine pulling the handle forward all the way over there in front of it, and then going and then cleaning. And it's like the wheels are off the ground above the machine. Looked pretty cool. Maybe David will chime in the comments and let me know if maybe I can show that video or the footage that he sent me. I'd be happy to post that for you guys to see it. Pretty awesome. I believe the Odyssey Tops, or the Tops Odyssey, is available also through Endcap Store or many other manufacturers. But again, the reason I choose Encapstore.com, if ever they fail me or let me down, don't worry. I'm not in this to be a spokesperson or do commercials for Encap Store. I'm just using the Encap Store because they're legit. I mean, look at that, right? Oh my goodness. I mean, if you drive a Cadillac and you're completely in love with the luxury and all the features of your Cadillac, why wouldn't you tell other people about it, right? Come on. Don't fault me. Anyway, I also started this channel to help out new carpet cleaning people, and people ask me all the time, and you can do whatever you want. Go get you some laundry soap, get you some ammonia, get you some citrus degreaser, and you can make all the mistakes I made before. And when you come to and you realize, oh yeah, Polly C was right, you'll get you some Green Dragon, a gallon of Awesome Endcap, some Oxygo, some Red Vanish, some Glad pads, some Iron Man pads, some Zinger pads. Oh yeah. You'll be able to get results like I'm getting. Oh yeah. And back in the day, guys wouldn't share these secrets. You know what I mean? They would just go out and get these results, and then the customers, the clients, look at this stuff and they're like, holy Toledo, I'm going to refer you to my sister, to my mom, to my brother, to my next door neighbor. Oh yeah, I got a friend who has a boat. Y'all clean boats? How about an RV? And you will grow a business just like your boy. And I'm telling you, not to pat myself on the back, I'm trying to help people out. I help people out every day. I get comments, I get emails from guys who started out, send me pictures. Man, I'm so excited. I'm grateful that I have the opportunity to help other people. Now, I will tell you, you've noticed I have my How to Start a Carpet Cleaning Company and the big one where I spent an hour explaining a bunch of details on how I run my operation, sharing all that information. And I actually made those videos private. I've just recently made them available until after Christmas. So if you want to check it out, you can usually click on sort my videos by filter, my most popular, go down to the one that has the little Nissan van on it. That's the one where I talk the most. It says How to Start a Carpet Cleaning Company. Take some notes, and you may ask, Polly C, why did you put those videos on private status? I put them on private status because I had about 6 guys in my own backyard. I started driving around. These guys are honking and waving. Some of them had better looking vehicles than me. Oh yeah. And they would roll up, and they had an Auric Orbiter, and they had Green Dragon, and they had the same pads, and they was getting busy. I think they had the exact same invoices as your boy. So I had to make it private because I was like, damn, I'm sharing a lot of valuable information. It took me, I've been doing this for 28 years. Not Not a single YouTube video got me started. It didn't exist back then. And nobody helped me. I spent a lot of money. I walked a lot of streets, putting little door hangers on doors, building up the business, figuring out what worked and didn't work, trying every chemical available to mankind. I did it all. And you know, I've only been doing VLM for the past few years. I was strictly a steam cleaner. And when I got into this, you know, I got into it, and I'm grateful for a couple of guys that kind of do it low key. You know, they're keeping it real simple, but I started expanding upon it. I started using washcloths. I started using Fabuloso. I mean, I was going ham because I didn't know what was truly involved in professional VLM. Now, granted, I did get some good results. Yeah, you can get some good results. But if you want a sustainable business, you want a footprint where you look professional, where you can offer your services at a higher value than most, then you want to learn. You can get started that way, but then learn and develop. You can watch my videos, do what I did. If you want to start out with an Oric Orbiter and some washcloths underneath, go for it. You know what I mean? Charge, I don't know, $15, $20 a room. Get busy and then save your money and develop. Get insurance, get invoices, do all the stuff I teach you in the video that I said is going to be up and available only till after Christmas. Then I'm going to make it private again. And create your own business. And all you got to do, I mean, that's the scary thing, is anybody could watch my videos. And yeah, granted, you got to have a little bit of capital or a little bit of income to be able to purchase the equipment and the van and the pads and the chemicals. I mean, that's the least of it. But once you get it, you can actually duplicate what I am doing. I'm basically opening my book. Now, when you start making money and you start rolling, you gotta be careful and you gotta do your own thing. You gotta get yourself a bookkeeper or an accountant. Oh, look at this. Do you want results like this? Oh my goodness. I mean, you know, not every job's going to turn out like this, boys and girls. But when they do, man, off video, your boy is going to roll around these carpets. I'm going to roll on the clean side, and I'm going to roll back across the dirty side. I'm going to be laughing and chuckling. I'm going to start the motor on my Oric. I'm going to start the motor on my Orbot Vibe. I'm going to sit on it like a motorcycle, and I'm going to zoom across the room. Why? Because I am getting those kind of results. And look at the view here. I'm just looking out the window at the ocean, the Puget Sound Inlet. I'm in Silverdale, Washington. And you know, I got to go down and get the business owner and show him at the halfway point. I just love to do that. I'm going to go get him and say, hey, we got a problem. The carpets are heavily soiled. I don't know. Can you come? I just want to discuss this with you. I'm going to bring him up here and say, by the way, my name's Paulie C. Take a look at my YouTube channel and my YouTube family and followers. We getting busy, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, look at that. You cannot deny results, right? The proof's in the pudding. I mean, damn, if I could create a filter that would do this for carpet cleaners, I'd create an app and I'd make millions of dollars. But this is real life. Ain't no filter involved here. It's all in the process. So anyway, oh my goodness. I love when a carpet cleaning job goes this way. They don't all go this way, I'll be honest with you. But look at this. Oh my goodness, you got some divots from heavy furniture. A little bit of shadowing. I'm not done yet. I'm going to hit it. I'm going to go over it one more time with a regular Glad pad. That's a cotton pad. Excuse me. And there's the, what is that, a zinger? Yep, zinger pad. I'll show you a couple of the pads out here. Here's the next Glad pad. We're gonna dry it up. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And I'll tell you what, that's just part of it. But when you go over it multiple times after scrubbing or pre-agitating with the zinger pad, that cotton pad just keeps pulling moisture. And I did use the Glad pads, the cotton pads dry. I know some people like to wet them and wring them out. I do that on occasion if it's a thick carpet. On this carpet, my focus is I want to get them dry. He had a little fan similar to the fans that we use in the carpet cleaning industry. I don't know if you saw that little gray fan in the kitchen floor area. I'm going to set that up. I'm going to blow it dry. Before I leave, my eyes will be looking at the final results. I'm not going to be saying, yeah, it's going to take 4 to 6 hours to dry and telling a lie, because I know the humidity levels are high and I just wouldn't be able to get it dry with steam cleaning. But with VLM, oh yeah, these little bubbles, that's normal. This is a commercial style carpet. It's not glued down, very thin pad. Totally normal. When the carpet's fully 100% dry, it'll drop down flat. Oh yeah, another beautiful job in the books. Oh man, sorry for such enthusiasm. I love you guys. I appreciate you joining me for another video. I'm heading out. It's my lunch break. I got one more job, and then we going home for Monday Night Football.